This is Mina Barsoom with CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I want to have a discussion about designing custom abutments and creating nice, smooth margins. So oftentimes once we've corrected the shoulder width of our restoration of our custom abutment, we'll go in and we'll use our scale occlusal tool, and we'll go in and start adjusting the position of that finish line or of that margin so that it's at the level of the gingiva. Now, what will oftentimes happen when you're doing this is you have the potential of creating some small irregularities or sharp transitions on that margin that could affect the fit of the cement retained crown on top. So an easy way to correct for that is by using that same scale occlusal tool and checking the scale hole and smooth out feature. What that does is it levels any of the sharp transitions on the custom abutment, and it gives you a nice smooth margin for your cement retained crown. So hopefully that was a helpful video. We look forward to seeing you again soon in future videos. Take care.